Nintendo Switch sold out around the world. The Nintendo Switch has become a very popular item for those looking to pass the time and connect with family and friends while the world stays home. There's only one problem. Nintendo can't make enough of them. Back in February, as the virus was starting to travel from country to country, businesses in China were closing because of COVID-19. That included factories that made important parts for the Switch. Even though there weren't enough available in Japan at the time, Nintendo told Bloomberg it believed there wouldn't be any problems with the Switch sales in America unless the virus got worse. Now, more than 2 months later, the Switch is difficult to find for many American shoppers. It's even sold out on Nintendo's website at the time of writing. Those who really want to buy a Switch might try Amazon, where buyers can find prices of $450 and higher, well above Nintendo's $299.99 price. The Switch Lite can be found closer to its normal price of $199.99. However, that model doesn't connect to television. Even though the Switch is sold out, Nintendo's new Switch game, Animal Crossing New Horizons, has been very successful since it came out in March, with 13.4 million copies sold in 6 weeks. It became the fastest-selling game on the Switch. The game is said to be like therapy for players stuck at home, because it's like normal life but without stress or responsibility.